Founded in 2016, Interplay Learning is the leading global provider of online and VR training for essential skilled trades. We develop scalable, highly effective digital training for the HVAC, plumbing, electrical, solar, and facilities maintenance workforce. For decades, the workforce skills gap has been a growing problem, with estimates of more than 2 million essential skilled trades positions opening from 2018 to 2028. It's time to build our own workforce in a new way. At Interplay Learning, we're revolutionizing how training works with our virtual experiential learning platform, SkillMill. SkillMill attracts the new generation of workers, compresses time from novice to experienced, and can efficiently train hundreds of skilled workers to be job-ready at the same time. Its online, on-demand catalogs are filled with more than 200 hours of expert-led courses, including lifelike in-the-field scenarios with interactive VR and 3D simulations. Acting like an on-demand apprenticeship, SkillMill enables people to learn hands-on skills in a safer, more engaging environment, and provides a deeper level of instruction than reading manuals or watching videos. SkillMill is helping to create a workforce that is more confident, highly skilled, and job-ready in just a few weeks, not years. To date, Interplay Learning has trained more than 100,000 skilled professionals and has a goal to reach 1 million essential workers by 2024. By delivering the best, most cost-effective technical training in the world, Interplay is committed to building better careers and better lives for all essential workers. Welcome to the next generation of training, virtual experiential learning.